When you see someone yawn, you start to yawn. Your hot pretty cousins start to yawn. Suddenly the whole family falls into the same trap. I know that's a very bizarre experience, but it's not the interesting part at all. And it's not even black magic. The most interesting part is it plays with human psychology. It's called Contagious yawning. Yeah, one of the weirdest flexes of being human. And no, we are not secretly tired. In fact, experts believe yawning has nothing to do with being sleepy. It's all about empathy. Yeah, turns out the more empathic you are, the more likely you are to yell when someone else does. Yes, think like your brain is like Donald Trump.
Hey, you're tired? Me too, buddy. Let's yawn in solidity. By the way, why you look like Chinese?
MRI scans even show that seeing someone yawn activates your mirror neurons. That part of the brain that copies when you see. Remember when you try to repeat something by hearing or seeing something? Well then, this specific mirror neuron helps you a lot. You know when you do meow meow by hearing from a cat? And I don't know why the owners of cat does more meow meow than the actual cats.
Well, I don't like cat that much. I basically like ships. Yes, ships, especially the black ones.
Black one?
Well, guess what? Not everybody catches yawns. Psychopaths, have you ever seen them yawn? Well, very rarely. Kids especially under 4. No, they don't do it either.
What are those?
They're called my sandals.
But one of the fun fact is, yes, dogs yawns. It's basically because they are loyal, loving, and theory little mirrors. Well, here's the interesting part. While reading about yawning, can it make you yawn? Well, chances are it can. Now, I would test you a little bit. Watch this clips. See, I got you. Well, please subscribe my channel or I will give you a cookie curse.